Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music.
It's been a hard day's night, and I've been working like a dog.
Hi, and welcome to my tutorial on how to play A Hard Day's Night by my all-time favorite band, the Beatles, on electric guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E. Now for the intro chord in the song, the chord that works best for me is a D7 suspended 4, formed this way. And we're going to strike that chord this way. Now what I'm doing is barring at the 5th fret from the A string down, bringing in the ring finger to fret 7 on the D string, and the little finger to fret 8 on the B string, and strumming from the A string down. I'm not really after that high E, but I just want to get a nice bite on that chord. And that starts our song.
It's been a hard day's night.
Let's go over the chords for the verses and choruses. We'll be needing a G chord. And you can use a C chord, but I like using a C add 9 instead. And the C add 9, that's the shape there. We're doing G, C add 9, G. Or you can do G, C, G if you prefer. We'll be needing an F, but I like using the F add 9, which I make by playing my F and adding a note here at the 3rd fret on the high E string to get that. I like that chord better. We'll need a C chord and a D chord. For the verses, we'll play a strumming pattern that goes like this. So that strumming pattern is down, 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 up, 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 down. And we can use that strumming pattern pretty much throughout. So what we'll do is use that strumming pattern and play G, C add 9, G, F, or F add 9, then back to G. Now I prefer using the F add 9, so we're going to play it this way. Add 9. And that's how we're going to play the verses and choruses. Now if you decide to use the regular F chord, it'll sound like this.
It's been a hard day's night, and I've been working like a dog. It's been a hard day's night. I should be sleeping like a log. But when I get home to you.
Okay. Now we'll play that twice, and then we'll go to C, D, G, C add 9, Now when we get to the bridge, we'll need to know a B minor bar chord. It's played this way. I'm barring everything from fret 2 on the A string down, bringing in a finger to the D string fret 4, the G string fret 4, and the B string fret 3, strumming from the A string. That's our B minor chord. And then we'll go to E minor, our typical E minor chord. We'll play that this way. Then we'll go to G, back to E minor, and then we'll do a C ninth chord to a D ninth chord, or we can use a D7 chord. So that's either this or this. Whichever one you prefer. I prefer the ninth chord. And I'm playing that ninth chord by holding down at the 3rd fret the A string, the 2nd fret D string, 3rd fret G string, and the 3rd fret B string. I'm muting the high E string with my finger here like this, so I can play that. Got my finger up against the string. And I'm going to raise that for the D ninth, or do a D7 like that. And the D7 is played by holding down the A string 5th fret, the D string 4th fret, the G string 5th fret, and the B string fret 3. And I'm also muting that high E string for that chord. Okay, so the entire bridge is this. And now for the short guitar solo in this song. Here's how I play it on a 6-string electric guitar. I'm going to start at fret 10 on the A string and then move to fret 8 on the D string to fret 10, back to fret 8, and strike and slide from fret 10 to 12. When we get here, I'm going to bar the D and G string with my first finger, hammer on to fret 12, and then strike the G string like this. And then go back to fret 12, slide down to 10, 8, and then fret 10 on the A string. Here we go. We'll do that twice, and that's our solo. Now for the ending. For the ending, we'll do an F add 9 chord. Now that's a normal F form, and then I've got my little finger on the G string, fret 3. And we'll play it this way. For this part, I'm going to put my hands on the F add 9 chord like that, strum it once, and then play the B string, then the G string, the B string, open up the high E, B string, G string, B string, close it up again, and repeat that like this. Well, all right, my friends, that's how I play A Hard Day's Night by the Beatles on electric guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.